Busy, busy. What you doing, girl? Hey! Ava, did you do that to that sock? What's that all about? Are you trying to get your socks? Bianca, you're so cute. Hi. You're a cutie pie. Hi, sweetie pie. Are you watching your mobile go round and round? Oh, super cute. What are you doing with your toes? You have yummy little feet. Hi, Bianca. What are you doing to your sock? Those are not going to last long. What did you do? You're so cute. And you're missing one. Are you eating a sock? You're funny. Hey. Let me see your little feet. So cute. Kick, kick, kick. Hi, baby girl. Hi. What you doing? Really? Woo! Yeah, you got your toes. You're so cute. What are you doing? It's so exciting. Here we go. Wow! Yeah. Hi, sweetie. You hanging out? Yeah. What cute little feet you have. Can you get them? Yeah, get those feet. Did you have a nice walk, sweetheart? Did you like to go see the lake and the ducks? With Mommy and Puppy? You're stretching your sock out. What? It's your favorite thing to do. Who do you have there with you? You have Sophie. You're a giraffe. You're so cute. Get socks. Oh, how are you jerking off? Yeah.
Yeah.
That was funny. Hello, my sweet pea. You have been talking so much. What do you have to say? So cute. Look at your cute little dress. Hi, honey bunny. Whoa. Ah, you're kicking me. Really? There you go. Hey, cutie. What do you have there?
Knock him out? Knock him out?
Is that your little caterpillar? Hello. Are you reading your book? You want to read your book to me? Got some yummy avocado. Whoa. Oh, that's so yummy. A little bit more. Oh my goodness. You love it? You want some more? Abu.